Have you ever wondered how to stay ahead in the AI revolution that's changing everything faster than we can imagine? Are you ready to learn powerful skills that can help you thrive and rise above 97% of the population today? This video reveals 9 essential non-technical AI skills that will set you apart no matter your profession or industry right now. These skills aren't just helpful, they're crucial if you want to survive and succeed in the fast-paced AI-powered future ahead. Number 1 is prompt engineering, the ability to craft questions that guide AI systems to give clear, accurate and powerful responses. Think of AI like a genie. The better your wish, the better your reward. Precision matters when communicating with intelligent machines. To master prompt engineering, you must be clear, creative and strategic, understanding context and anticipating how AI will interpret words. A good example is writing. Don't just say, write about dating apps. Ask as an expert coach for powerful tailored insights. Number 2 is AI-powered personal branding, using AI tools to build and enhance a unique brand that stands out across platforms. Imagine your brand as a colorful mosaic, and AI as the brush making each tile sharper, more vibrant and unforgettable. Use AI to design logos, generate engaging posts and maintain consistency that tells your story across every digital touchpoint online. A freelance designer can easily create standout portfolio pieces using AI, showcasing creativity in ways that attract premium-paying clients. Number 3 is data storytelling, turning complex data into visuals and narratives that are relatable, emotional and easy to understand. People connect with stories, not spreadsheets. This skill helps you translate numbers into powerful stories that drive action and results. A non-profit can show water crisis data using maps and animations that inspire change rather than confuse or overwhelm people. Product managers can highlight customer pain points visually, crafting engaging narratives supported by clear, impactful and well-designed data representations. Number 4 is creative AI thinking, the ability to imagine unique, bold applications of AI that go beyond traditional boundaries. It's where your imagination meets AI's capabilities, combining human creativity with machine power to create something the world hasn't seen. An artist might use AI to design surreal digital art that pushes creative boundaries and captivates audiences around the world. A musician could generate fresh genre blends using AI, composing tracks that defy norms and deliver entirely new listening experiences. Number 5 is AI business strategy, developing a roadmap to use AI effectively for innovation, efficiency and long-term growth. This includes identifying where AI fits best, assessing risks and building systems that help your organization lead in its field. A retail company could use AI to optimize supply chains, reduce waste and increase profit through smart forecasting and automation. But success requires thinking ahead, addressing privacy, training teams and preparing for challenges before they arise in the process. Number 6 is AI project management, guiding AI implementation with clear goals, collaboration, timelines and smart problem solving. This role blends leadership with technical understanding, ensuring teams stay aligned and AI projects deliver value efficiently and responsibly. Imagine leading a chatbot project for an airline, overseeing tech, aligning stakeholders and solving problems before they become serious roadblocks. You need vision and execution, keeping communication strong, timelines tight and every moving part aligned to the end goal. Number 7 is understanding NLP, natural language processing, AI's way of interpreting human language to generate or analyze speech and text. Even basic NLP knowledge helps you get better results from AI tools and avoid confusing or irrelevant machine responses. A social media manager using sentiment tools can understand audience reactions and improve strategy by knowing what the data says. Learning NLP fundamentals improves communication with AI, giving you higher quality output and more control over your digital messaging. Number 8 is curiosity and continuous learning, the mindset to always explore new tools, ideas and AI applications without fear. Curious learners adapt faster, discover more and create value by constantly upgrading skills while others remain stuck in the past. Think of a marketer who explores a new AI ad tool, learning its features and transforming results through continuous experimentation. Like, subscribe and share.